Hi, welcome back. On Saturday, I have uploaded one video about Nifty 22 to 200 put option versus Nifty 22 200 call option. In that video, I have clearly mentioned and drawn these imbalances also. What are all the things? Support for this put option is 125, 124 level. That is this level, 125 and 120. Below trading, then there is a shorting chance for targets 104 and 74. But what happened, it has the market has on a gap up mode. So put option has opened below all these targets. And these are all the support and resistance levels. Once this line, this lower level, no, lower level has broken, 105 level broken, and this candle has closed below the last support level 100. It has gone down to 97. Then how to trade with the support and resistance levels? Once a candle crosses below the support level, then we can expect a breakdown, correct? But we do trading only after 9:15 9:30 candle closes, and this is the candle closed, and this candle has closed uh, as green at 119, correct? And see this candle. In this candle, our all conditions are satisfied. Volume, delta, and max delta conditions totally satisfied. So, as per our strategy, it is a quick buy here. See, 119 is the entry price, and it has gone up to 214. Correct? These are all the support and resistance levels I have drawn. And yesterday I said trades below 147 no buying. But that is according to the support and resistance only, not as per our buy. And we got a buy here, and this red candle we have no entry, and here also. And all these candles have satisfied up to here our conditions. And this candle also satisfied our condition, and again it has gone. And I said buying only above 159, 160. Okay, for targets 181, 179 level. And that level has also broken. See, after that, it has gone up to 214. If you buy above 160 also, here also, 172 also, you will get some quickly, some 50, 60 points. Then it has come down. See, this candle has closed below this support level and tried to go up for a retracement also, but failed, and there is a gap here. And the gap will be filled later. I don't know. See, let us see what will happen to that after that. Then this candle closed exactly in this range and didn't close below it. And this candle, see, it is with increased volume, correct? And delta green. So this is a candle which has good strength. So immediately after that, we can go for a buy 174. From 174, it has gone up to 220. And that is the way by which resistance and supports acts. Okay. Whenever a resistance is broken and closed above that, we can have a long position. And this is for educational purposes only. If you want to study more, join with us. Then see, in this range, above the put option has traded and this candle closed below. So here, if we will not buy in this candle, And again, a green candle should close above this level for further entry. Otherwise, don't enter here. Okay. Then next candle down, and this candle also taken this support. See, it has never closed below 159, 160. If the candle closes below this 160, see, it has just touched the next level of support and it closed above that range. But these are all shorting chances. We got a shorting chance here, 177. And after that, see, and this level also has broken. And it has just touched this important support level. Support at 125.24 below trading, then there is a shorting chance. Don't buy this put option. See where it has closed. Let us see what has happened. It has just touched and gone up above 153. Then again, it came to that support zone. And no candle has closed below this important support zone. So there is no shorting happened for this put option. For shorting, this one candle should close below this level. That is 120 level. Then only all these targets will happen. Correct? So here it is a buy also. 125 buying, it has gone up to this level, but not closed above 159.60. If it closes above 159.60, again it is a buy. But this candle, you see, it has closed above the resistance zone. And it is a quick buy here. 147 buying, it will get 162. And see again, this candle just touched that support zone and gone up. See what happened next. It has come down. No candle has closed above this buying zone. No, the real buy starts here, 160. A candle has to close above this level. And see, after breaking this candle, no candle has closed above this resistance zone. Okay, and it is still trading here. Then we will see what happened to the call option. Sorry. See, the call option we said in the morning, 126, 122 below this level, no buying. If you buy, you may incur huge loss. And this call option yesterday closed here 134 and went up to 170, opened here above that resistance zone 154.52, and we have buy only at 9:30 candle. So we will never buy here because I said earlier 154, 152 above trading it is a buy. But we will buy only after closing this candle. It is a red candle. So no buy happened. You see what happened? The important support level broken. It closed below this support line and gone down like anything. And this is the support where 90, 94 and 89. 89, 94 is the support. This candle closed below that. That means it will go down again. No buying. You see this candle and this candle. This candle has closed above the lower support line with a huge volume and our condition satisfied. We will put a buy at here. There is the retracement level 95. If 95 we are buying and it has stop loss here 83. 12 points we will lose. Okay, one trade is a loss. Let us wait for the next trade. And you see, and and here, here, and here we got a buy. All conditions satisfied. 5 minutes candle, no? See, 80, 81 buying, stop loss here, 67, 13 points, 14 points, 81 is the buy entry price, and it has gone up to 127. So that loss also recovered. And in put option also we got some 100 points, and here also some 30, 40 points. And this is the way by which this support and resistance level works. And now, this candle, you see, it has broken our support level, our resistance level, and above that closed with the volumes, our buy conditions. So this is the retracement candle top. So 88 we are buying, we will get a 105, 106, again 20, 25 points you are getting. No? So this is the way of trading with levels. Here we are not using anything, no? In no indicators we are using. We are using only these numbers and our signals, no? Then we will see what happened to the Bank Nifty levels, no? Bank Nifty levels, I have uploaded one video about Bank Nifty futures, and this was the uh, levels I mentioned in that video. 48, 757, 760 minor resistance. Above that, this Bank Nifty may touch 49, 152, and it is a top resistance. Once it breaks and closes above this level, it may go up to these levels. But unfortunately, the Bank Nifty futures opened here and went down, and minor resistance above opened, but even that level also not sustained. And below this 48, 679, 82, no, it closed there, and again it has broken that level, and it has broken the previous close also. And here there is a good shorting chance or a go for it. Why? Provided the data supports. This data is vital. So study this. Study how to do with numbers. Don't do with the useless indicators like simple moving average, weighted moving average, VWAP and all you can use definitely. It will give good, excellent result. Simple moving averages and some blah blah indicators are there. Don't use those things. Trade with the numbers. Markets are about numbers only, volumes. And out of the volume, how much is the buy volume? Buy volume means buy aggression of buyers and aggressive sellers data. That is called delta, max delta, min delta, see cottage, quartile. Then lot of things are there. Volume profiles are there. Market profiles are there. And this is only 0.1% of the order flow analysis. 0.1%. Study it. Do independently. We are here to educate you. Okay? Trade with the levels, no? Your own levels. Your money, your brain. And you are responsible for that. In between, don't allow anybody to interfere in your trade. It is your business, no? Correct? And this support level here broken, and again this candle closed above the support. See the miracle? After that, no candle has closed below the support line, and it is still hovering in these supports. And come to the Nifty call option. Call option, I have said 126, 122 below this level, no buying. If you buy, you may incur huge loss. Exactly what I said here. Exactly same thing happened here. And these are all the support and resistance also. And these selling to sustain, we should look at this data. No? The previous candle was a green candle with a 3.35 million volume. And this candle is a red candle and broken this support line with a extra volume. And delta is red, 600,000 market selling is there against 179,000. So five times power is there. More powerful is the sellers there, aggressive sellers. That means it will come down. Simple logic. No indicator is here. So try to study this Contact us. The contact number is shown in the description or email to us. Educate yourself and earn big. Okay? And here we got a buy. See, it has gone up. See, all the olive is good, delta, max delta is green, and this also more or less equal. Okay. Otherwise, we got a buy here, and we got a buy here also. Then also we get some 20, 25, 30 points. And that is all now for the updation only. I am uploading this video now. You see, even now this call option is trading above the support area. So trade with the support and resistance. And these support and resistance zones are drawn by yourself only. It is not automatically coming. This is coming with the aggressive selling and buying areas, no, like this. Along this, if you are looking at this, no, you can see lot of things. If you draw imbalances, no, you will have to draw the whole line. You cannot trade. You have to study this. There is a big study over here. And it's very difficult to study first, but we are here to study you, update you, and you will become an excellent person after our education. Okay? Thank you very much.